Hey everyone, welcome back to the Livewire Lab. I'm Graham, and today we're diving into the features of the new Triad Streaming Amplifier, a powerhouse for anyone looking to elevate their home audio experience. Let's take a look what's inside. Right out of the box, you get the amplifier itself, power cables, and a user manual, but who really uses that? The build quality is solid and a sleek rack-mountable design. This amplifier integrates beautifully into your Control 4 system, making it incredibly versatile and easy to tie into your home audio system. Now, let's talk specs. This amplifier delivers 200 watts per channel, ensuring rich, high-fidelity audio throughout your space. Whether you're streaming music or integrating it into a multi-room audio setup, this amp brings clarity and power to your speakers. One of the standout features is its riff-enabled streaming capabilities, which allows seamless wireless audio distribution. That means you can stream your favorite tunes without the need for additional hardware. The installation is pretty flexible. It makes an easy addition to your audio setup without having to reconfigure your entire system. If you're new to this type of system, the amplifier has built-in EQ presets for the Triad and Episode speakers. It makes it as easy as possible to create the ultimate audio experience. If any of this sounds interesting to you and you'd like to learn more, you should reach out to Livewire and book an appointment, and we'll walk you through the entire process and install this amplifier for you. Let's get your home sounding incredible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews and the latest and greatest in all things smart home and beyond. And it's riff, right? It's not rough, it's riff enabled. It's down, it's up. It's down, it's up. Riff, rough, roof, snurf, snarf. It's down, it's up. Cool.